Hello students, welcome to online audio video lessons, an initiative taken by Set Vidya Mandir English High School affiliated to CBSE. Myself Mrutula Kadderu, mathematics teacher for standard 5th. Children, today we are going to start with chapter number 14, perimeter, area and volume. So children, let us begin. Students, let us continue with exercise 14b, question number 2. Find the volume of a cuboid of, they have given length, breadth and height. Question number A, length is 15 centimeter, breadth is 12 centimeter and height is 3 centimeters. So children, note down it, length, breadth and height. So what is the formula to find volume of a cuboid? It is L into B into H, that is length into breadth into height. So substitute the values. 15, breadth is 12 into 12, height is 3, so into 3. So children, when you multiply all these 3, you get the answer 540. Here the unit is centimeters, so write cubic centimeters. Is it clear? Multiply it. Next we have question number 2. Length is equals to 12 meters, breadth 14 meters and height 3.5 meters. Again write the formula. Volume of a cuboid is equals to length into breadth into height, that is 12 meters into 14 into 3.5. So children, again multiply all these 3. When you multiply, you get the answer 588 cubic meters, because here the unit is meter. Moving on to question number C, we have length is equals to 8.2 centimeters, breadth is equals to 9.4 centimeters and height is equals to 8 centimeters. Children, pay attention that whenever you are solving, make sure that the units are same. Here we have same units, so write the formula. Volume is equals to length into breadth into height, that is substituting the values. Length 8.2, breadth 9.4 and height is 8 centimeters. So multiply this. I have already done it. So when we multiply, we get the answer 616.64 and the unit is cubic centimeters, because we have centimeters. Moving to question number D, L is equals to, that is length is equals to 89 millimeter, breadth is equals to 71 millimeter and height is equals to 60.5 millimeters. So write the formula. V, that is volume is equals to length into breadth into height. We have 89 into 71 into 60.5 by substituting the values. Again multiply these 3. When you multiply, you get the answer 3822299.5. So this will be the answer when you multiply all these 3 numbers and write the unit as cubic millimeter, this unit. Is it clear? Question number E. The question is length is equals to 500 centimeter, breadth is equals to 200 centimeter and height is equals to 1.6 meters. So children, when you observe, you see that here we have centimeter, centimeter and meter. So we have to convert these into same units. So 500 centimeters, when we convert it into meters, it becomes, to convert centimeters into meters, we do divided by 100. So 2 zeros gets cancelled and it becomes 5 meters. So length will be 5 meters. Similarly, when we take breadth, 200 centimeters, again when you divide it by 100, you get the answer in meters. 2 zeros gets cancelled and you get 2 meters. So we got length and breadth also in form of meters. So now apply the formula V, that is volume is equals to length into breadth into height, that is 5 into 2 into 1.6. 5 2s are 10, 10 into 1.6. When you multiply, you get the answer 6 and write the unit, that is cubic meters. Next we have question F. L is equals to 240 millimeter, breadth is equals to 4.5 centimeters and height is equals to 7.03 meters. Now here all the three units are different. So what we will do, we will convert all these into centimeters. So length, it is 240 millimeters. So to convert it into centimeters, we have to divide this 250 by 10. So when you divide 10 gets cancelled, you get the answer 24 centimeters. Breadth, which is already in centimeters, no need to convert. And lastly we have height, which is 7.03 meters. So to convert this into centimeters, 1 meter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 7.03 meters will be 7.03 into 100. So when you multiply this, you get the answer 703 centimeters. So children, now you got everything in the form of centimeters, isn't it? Now put the formula, volume is equals to length into breadth into height, that is 24 into 4.5 into 703. So children, when you multiply, you get the answer 75924 cubic centimeters. Is it clear? Question G, we have length is equals to 123 meter, breadth is equals to 9500 centimeter and height is equals to 63 meters. Again observe, we have two units, that is we have meters and another as centimeters. So convert this centimeters into meters. So breadth, when you convert centimeters into meters, we have to divide it by 100 because 1 centimeter is equals to 100 centimeters. So 1 centimeter becomes 1 upon 100 meters. So divide it by 100. 2 zeros gets cancelled. What is remaining? 95, and write the unit as meters. Now we have converted into meters. Put the formula, volume is equals to length into breadth into height. So length is 123 meter, breadth 95 and height is 63. When you multiply all these three, you get the answer 736,155 cubic meters. Is it clear, children? Now moving to question number H, that is length is equals to 8500 centimeter, breadth is equals to 950 millimeters and height is equals to 15 meters. When you observe, you find all the three units are different. So now let us convert both these into meters. So length, which is 8500 centimeters, when we convert this into meters, we have to divide it by 100 because 1 centimeter is equals to 1 upon 100 meters. So upon 100, 2 zeros gets cancelled. You get the answer 85 meter. Similarly, when we take breadth 950 millimeters, now we have to divide it by 1000. So when you divide it, you get the answer 1010 gets cancelled. 95 upon 100, so it becomes 0.95 meters. Now we have everything in meters, so write the formula, V is equals to length into breadth into height, that is 85 into 0.95 into 15, and when you multiply, you get the answer 1211.25 cubic meters. So children, I hope you all have understood this. Practice at home.